guys, it's me, Arwa. So today I'm gonna showing you how to play the scary teacher. No, I'm so scared. What? So yeah, guys, which one you want to play? Do you want to play this one? I love this game. It's getting knocked the door. I know. Yalla, come on. Knock knock. Unsolicited yani. Ding. Okay. Is the teacher about sleeping? What am I going to do first?
There goes that stupid bell again.
There's someone coming inside the house.
There goes that stupid bell again. Don't you dare touch my doorbell again!